A manager is responsible for ordering supplies for a saved ice shop. The shop's inventory starts with 4,500 paper cups, and the manager estimates that 70 of these paper cups are used each day. Based on this estimate, in how many days will the supply of paper cups reach 1,700? Okay, according to the information, the starting inventory of paper cups is 4,500. In this, 70 paper cups are used each day. After some days, the inventory becomes 1,700 paper cups. Okay, our aim is to find the number of days it will take. This starting inventory 4,500 will become 1,700. Okay, let me assume X is the number of days. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. Each day 70 paper cups are used. Then how many paper cups will be used in X number of days? We have to multiply the number of paper cups used each day by the number of days X. Then we get 70X. This is the total number of paper cups used in X number of days. Now let's subtract the total number of paper cups used in X days from the starting inventory, that is 4,500. When I subtract the number of paper cups used in X days from the starting inventory, that will give the ending inventory, that is 1,700 according to the given information. Now we have to solve for X in this equation. Okay, let me subtract 4,500 from both sides of this equation. Then we get here positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting negative 70x equals to, on the right side I am getting negative 2,800. Let me divide both sides of the equation by negative 70. Okay, here this negative 70 will cancel out. This negative will cancel out. I am getting x on the left side. When I divide 2,800 by 70, I am getting 40. That is, in 40 days, the supply of paper cups will reach 1,700. We find 40 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.